A group of people living together is community. We already knew this statement. A group of people living together with respect, love and care. People helps to other people or other community and their professions also. People of community have different interests, different ideas. So the people engaged different occupation in community. Different occupations develop the community. They provide basic needs of the community. See this chart. Have you imagined what you are eating? How it is come? There are so many people and so many processes are remaining to the reach raw materials or raw food our house. Farmer is very hard worker. A farmer needs land, water, seed, fertilizer, insecticide, workers, transport and merchant. In order to get water, a farmer want well digger or canal or borewell diggers or dig the well or canal or borewells. Once dig the well, the pipe or pump set he need to move one place to another place the water. Electric lineman also to provide the currents to move the water. And farmer needs the fertilizer for to grow the food materials. Insecticides also need for improve the quality of soil. Bag fillers, vehicles transporter, so many workers are demand for a food transport. We need transport to transport the crops. After we transporting wholesale merchant, some are brokers, it will go to the merchant shop. So these long process we get a food or raw materials in shop only. Now you think so many peoples who work behind the manufacturing of raw materials. Work will not be complete without a single person in this chain. So we should not think that we can buy anything easily by paying money. We should not forget that many people have worked hard for the production of goods and food items. So children, don't waste the food. As the same way, the clothes or buildings and manufacture the salt. We see this chart. We know the how do we get salt prepared by seawater. Here some are different occupation they need to community. We want basket for making so many works. We want basket from basket weaver. Gymnastic trainer. We have going to for a proper fitness. A painter, a singer, the doll maker, a sport team or coacher, sports coacher, TV anchor, dancer. These are entertained to us. Priest or marriage broker introduce or follow them our tradition or culture. These different workers serve for community. Some are excellent in their field like Lata Mangeshkar, she is a famous singer. Bismillah Khan, Shahnai Samrat or musician. Bhimsen Joshi, Hindustani classical singer. Everybody in the community has to contribute for its development. Every occupation has its own value, so we should respect everyone. Community or one area faces some natural calamities like flood, droughts, earthquakes. When somebody in the community is in a trouble, others will help them. It means community is formed by every member living in a community. It is not possible to live without the cooperation for the community. We should help others in the community. Thank you.